Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or pin the Bluetooth icon to the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings, best match, so come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Bluetooth and devices. And now on the right side, you want to go scroll down on this list. You want to select the devices button here and then scroll down and then select underneath related settings, more Bluetooth settings. And in this field, you want to go ahead and locate where it says show the Bluetooth icon in the notifications area. So if you want to have that turned on, turn it on right here. If you want to disable that, you just uncheck that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.